Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3535, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3535? What's the symbolism of 3535? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3535 mean for love? What does 3535 mean for twin flames? What does 3535 for manifestation? How does angel number 3535 affect finances? What does 3535 mean for former relationships? How does 3535 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3535? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3535? What's the meaning of angel number 3535? Angel number 3535 symbolizes major life changes, encouraging you to embrace growth, adaptability, and personal freedom. The number 3 brings creativity, communication, and joy, while 5 represents change, versatility, and life lessons. Repeating these numbers intensifies their influence, urging you to release old patterns and step into a more authentic path. Your angels are guiding you through transitions that lead to personal expansion and spiritual evolution. This number is a reminder to stay optimistic and trust in divine timing. It confirms that the changes you're facing are necessary and ultimately aligned with your soul's highest purpose. What's the symbolism of angel number 3535? Symbolically, angel number 3535 represents transformation through creative expression and dynamic movement. The dual energies of 3 and 5 suggest that you are entering a time of freedom, exploration, and personal breakthroughs. The number 3 adds vibrancy, self-expression, and spiritual growth, while 5 emphasizes life shifts, travel, and experimentation. Together, they point toward a rebirth of sorts, breaking away from routines or restrictions and stepping into alignment with your passions. Seeing 3535 is a message that flexibility, self-belief, and faith in your unique journey will open new doors and bring exciting, divinely inspired opportunities. What is the angel number 3535 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3535 signifies that you are undergoing a significant awakening or shift that aligns you more deeply with your soul's purpose. It encourages you to embrace your spiritual journey with enthusiasm and flexibility, trusting that each twist and turn is part of divine growth. The influence of 3 enhances your spiritual expression and connection to higher realms, while 5 signifies transformation through experience. Your angels are urging you to follow your inner voice, try new spiritual practices, or step into a more purpose-driven lifestyle. Trust in your path, even if it feels uncertain, it's leading you to evolution. What does the angel number 3535 mean for love? In love, angel number 3535 suggests exciting changes, new beginnings, and emotional freedom. If you're in a relationship, it could point to a period of transformation that requires open communication, adaptability, and renewed passion. If single, it encourages exploration and staying open to unexpected romantic opportunities. The number 3 promotes emotional honesty and joy, while 5 indicates change and spontaneity. Love under 3535 thrives when partners are willing to evolve together and support each other's individuality. This number invites you to assess whether your current romantic path is fulfilling or whether it's time to make space for something more aligned. What does angel number 3535 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 3535 signals a time of rapid evolution and dynamic movement in the relationship. It may represent a phase of separation and reunion, where growth happens independently before union can be fully realized. The number 3 emphasizes spiritual and emotional communication, while 5 calls for freedom and transformative experiences. Your twin flame journey may require you both to take bold steps, release outdated attachments, and learn through real-life challenges. Ultimately, 3535 is a sign that divine forces are guiding your connection, encouraging both individuals to awaken, heal, and align in preparation for a deeper union. What does angel number 3535 for manifestation? Angel number 3535 is a powerful sign for manifestation, especially when it comes to personal growth, creativity, and lifestyle changes. The number 3 brings inspired ideas and connection to divine guidance, while 5 encourages action, adaptability, and breaking out of limitations. Together, they show that you're in a potent phase to attract what aligns with your evolving truth. Stay focused, speak your desires aloud, and trust your intuition. The universe is encouraging you to take bold yet mindful steps. Embrace uncertainty and be open to surprising outcomes. Your manifestations may arrive through unexpected but divinely orchestrated paths. How does angel number 3535 affect finances? Angel number 3535 suggests financial change, encouraging you to explore new opportunities, side ventures, or innovative ways to earn and manage money. The number 5 supports adaptability and resourcefulness, while 3 enhances creative thinking and problem solving. You may be guided to leave behind financial limitations or outdated methods in favor of more flexible, empowering approaches. If you're considering a career shift or investment, this number indicates that change can lead to abundance if you trust your instincts and take inspired action. Maintain a balance between spontaneity and planning to ensure financial success in this transformational period. What does angel number 3535 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3535 encourages reflection and personal growth when dealing with past relationships. It signifies that it's time to release emotional baggage and learn from past romantic experiences rather than repeat them. The 3s emphasize honest communication and forgiveness, while the 5s promote freedom, healing, and moving forward. This number may signal a period of closure, where letting go becomes a path to emotional liberation. It reminds you to value the lessons from former relationships while not allowing them to define your future. Your angels encourage emotional independence and readiness to welcome healthier, more aligned connections. How does angel number 3535 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 3535 signals transformation, creativity, and the need to adapt to change. It may suggest that you're ready for a new direction, promotion, or entrepreneurial venture. The number 3 points to communication, leadership, and innovation, while 5 brings adaptability, new experiences, and the courage to take risks. This is a sign to follow your passion, speak your ideas, and break free from limiting job roles or routines. If you're feeling stagnant, it's time to shift gears. Trust that change will bring opportunity and that your unique talents can lead to professional fulfillment and success. What are the strengths of angel number 3535? The strengths of angel number 3535 include creativity, adaptability, courage, and the ability to thrive in uncertain or rapidly changing environments. People influenced by this number are often energetic, optimistic, and resourceful, capable of thinking outside the box and bouncing back from setback. Their adventurous spirit makes them open to new experiences and growth. With the expressive power of 3 and the change-driven energy of 5, they inspire others and take bold steps toward personal freedom. They are excellent at initiating transformation, both in themselves and in their surroundings, and can be powerful agents of progress and innovation. What are the weaknesses of angel number 3535? The weaknesses of angel number 3535 can include restlessness, impulsiveness, and difficulty with commitment or follow-through. The strong influence of 5 can lead to a desire for constant change, which may result in instability or lack of focus. The energy of 3, while joyful and expressive, can sometimes lean toward avoidance of deeper emotional work or responsibility. Those guided by 3535 may struggle with maintaining routines or sticking to long-term plans. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to balance freedom with discipline, take time for reflection, and ensure that excitement doesn't override consistency or emotional integrity.